Hello traders and welcome to the Market Watch Group Trading Tidbits. Today we're diving into the world of option Greeks, starting with delta. Delta in options measures the sensitivity of an option's price to changes in the price of the underlying asset. It ranges from 0 to 1 for calls, as you can see here, from -1 to 0 for puts, as you can see over here, representing the directional relationship with the underlying asset's price. Traders may use delta as a directional indicator, a hedge ratio, and for strategy adjustments. Delta is dynamic, changing with the underlying asset's price, allowing traders to adapt to market conditions. Understanding options delta is crucial for achieving success in trading options, as it allows traders to gauge and leverage the sensitivity of an option's price to changes in the underlying asset, enhancing strategic decision making. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights, and happy trading.